everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is condensed milk cake. Yes, you heard it right. We will try the popular and the trending steamed condensed milk cake. And this is one easy cake that you can try making at home. I know you're all excited. Let's check out the ingredients. All-purpose flour, eggs, condensed milk, butter, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Watching this video, and for the complete recipe details you can check on this video description. And again guys, please don't forget to like and share, and for your comments or any suggestions or questions, just type in below. And once again, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a video. And of course, you can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. You can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.